Today we have some cute little bees in different colors. We are going to put them all in their beehive. We're going to use these tweezers to pick them up. Let's begin. Let's grab the first bee. Do you know what color this bee is? Good job. This bee is color purple. Purple in Spanish is
morado.
Do you see a hexagon with the color purple? I see it. Here it is. Let's put our purple bee here. Let's grab the next one. Here's our next bee. This one is color cyan. Cyan in Spanish is
Celeste.
Can you help me locate the hexagon with the color cyan in our beehive? It's this one. Let's continue. Here we have our next bee. Do you know what color this one is? This one is color orange. Orange in Spanish is
naranja.
Are you able to find the orange hexagon where this bee belongs? Good job. It's this one. Let's put it right here. Let's go ahead and grab the next bee. Here we have another bee. This one is color green. Green in Spanish is
verde.
Do you see the green hexagon in our beehive? I see it. It's going to be this one. Let's put our green bee here. That's where our green bee belongs. Let's grab the next one. This bee is color yellow. Yellow in Spanish is
amarillo.
Are you able to locate the yellow hexagon where this bee belongs? I found it. It goes here. Here's our next bee. Do you know what color this bee is? Great job! This bee is color red. Red in Spanish is
rojo.
Do you see the red hexagon where we can put this bee? Good job! It goes right here. Let's grab our last bee. This one is color blue. Blue in Spanish is
azul.
Can you see the blue hexagon on our beehive? This blue bee goes here. We have put all our bees in their beehive. They are all happy now. Now we are going to look at these colorful cups. We are going to place all our bees from our beehive in the corresponding cups. Let's grab the first one. Here's our first bee. This one is color yellow. Do you see a yellow cup? I see it. It's this one. Let's put this bee in the yellow cup. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have our green bee. Can you locate the green cup? Here it is. Let's put this green bee in the green cup. Let's grab the next one. Here we have our blue bee. Can you find the blue cup anywhere? Good job. This is the blue cup. Let's put our blue bee in this cup. Let's grab the next bee. This one is color red. Can you locate the red cup? Here's the red cup. Here we have the next bee. This bee is color orange. Can you help me find the orange cup? I found it. Here's the orange cup. Let's put our orange bee inside the orange cup. This bee is color cyan. Do you see a cup color cyan? Good job. Here's our cyan cup. This bee goes in here. Now we only have one bee left. Let's go ahead and grab it. This bee is color purple. Do you see the purple cup? I see it. It's the only one left. Let's put it in here. Now we have all our little bees and their corresponding cups. Here we have color purple, color yellow, color orange, color green, color cyan, color blue, and finally, color red. Let's count how many cups we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 cups and 7 bees. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and check our channel for more educational videos. See you next time.